Hello, everyone. So, John bought ice cream from a store. He decided to eat it at home. However, once he reached his house, the ice cream is completely melted. What shall he do? Simple. Put it in the freezer and wait for it to solidify again. How does this happen? We will find out more about it in this lesson on the changes in matter. There are only two basic changes in matter: physical change and chemical change. Physical change does not involve any chemical reaction and is usually reversible. It means that the object only changed its shape, size, or state and not its chemical composition. Some very elementary examples involve cutting, breaking, and dissolving. However, some changes also involve the change in state. Let us look at them one by one. In John's ice cream example, the solid ice cream turns into liquid. This process is known as melting. It happens when the temperature of the object reaches its melting point. Freezing, on the other hand, is the opposite. Freezing is when liquid matter turns into solid, and this happens when the temperature of the object reaches its freezing point. Although melting and freezing points are technically the same, it is a common temperature wherein an object transitions to the other phase. If the temperature continues to decrease, the material solidifies, while if the temperature continues to increase, then it will liquefy. Have you ever experienced boiling some water and noticed that after some time, the water decreases its volume? This is because water undergoes evaporation. Evaporation happens when liquid turns into gas. On a similar process, gas can still go back to its liquid state through the process known as condensation. This phenomenon can be observed in the morning when the surfaces of leaves have water droplets on it. These water droplets did not come from rain but from the gas particle that condensed. For the next change, have you ever noticed a mothball or a bathroom freshener to just become smaller and smaller until they are gone? This event is known as sublimation. It happens when solid turns into gas without passing the liquid state. This is the same phenomenon that can be observed in dry ice, as it transforms from solid directly to gas without passing the liquid phase. Now, can gases turn also into solids without passing the liquid state? The answer is yes, and that is through the process known as deposition. Here is a recap of the changes in state that can be classified under physical change. The other type of change is known as chemical change. As we know, this one involves a change in the chemical composition of matter, and this is usually irreversible. It means that once it happens, the substance cannot go back to its original form or composition. Some examples of chemical change include the rusting of metals with iron, burning or combustion of gas, digestion of the food in the stomach, and the cooking of the food that we eat. So that's it for this lesson today. I hope you learned. Did you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more.